Hello, today I will show you how we can get support for Lacerte application. For that, you have to open your Lacerte application and need to wait for a moment. And close this pop-up from here, and now you can see the options are available as in help. You can find the common questions, or you can see the community over there to put your questions over there, or online resource. Even you can chat with an agent. Now for that, you can click on help and live chat. Before begin, you have to authenticate your account so that Lacerte support team can help you in a better way. Thank you for watching.
For more support, write us to support@thesagenext.com. Call us at 855-922-7243.